Hello student, today we are going to continue our third chapter fiber to fabric. In this chapter we have read about animal fiber. Student, in my previous video we have discussed about the wool and wool yielding animal such as sheep, goat, camel, yak, and these all animal have a thick layer of hair, and from this hair we get the wool. So student, our today topic is from fiber to wool. How we get wool from fiber. So our first step to rear the sheep. So rearing and breeding of sheep is the first step to getting the wool. Because when we rear the sheep, after the hairs developed of the sheep, we cut the hairs and proceed into wool. Student, sheep are herbivorous and prefer grass. Sheep also feed them on a mixture of pulse, corn, jowar, oil cake and minerals. What is the meaning of oil cake? Oil cake, that means material left after taking out oil from sheet. That means शीट में से ऑयल को रिमूव करके जितना भी मटेरियल बच जाता है उसे हम ऑयल केक कहते हैं. एंड शीप हर्बीवोरस होती है, दैट मीन्स इट प्रिफर ग्रास एंड सम सीड, पर्ल्स, corn, jowar, oil cake, etc. And once the rear sheeps have developed a thick growth of hairs, जब इसमें hairs इसकी growth हो जाते हैं hairs के, then hairs is shaves off from getting wool. Okay, hairs को हम क्या करते हैं, remove कर लेते हैं for getting wool. So student, this topic is very important, processing fibers into wool. How we get wool from this fiber? So the first step is shearing. Okay, what happen in a shearing? The fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. This is very important. Actually, sometimes the question is define shearing. Then you say the fleece, that means hairs. The hairs of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin removed from its body. sheep की body से hairs के साथ thin layer of skin को remove कर देना is known as shearing. And जब हम इसमें से thin layer of skin की remove करते हैं, so shearing hurt नहीं करती sheep को. That means shearing does not hurt the sheep. Why? Because the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Okay, so what is shearing? The hairs of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from the body is called shearing. And shearing does not hurt the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. And the second step is scoring. The first is shearing, removal of the hairs along with a thin layer of skin. The second is scoring. What is scoring? The sheared skin with hairs thoroughly washed in a tank to remove grease, dust, dirt. This process is called scoring. Student, when we remove the hairs along with a thin layer of skin, so many dust in it. So second, after removing, what we do? We wash the hairs in a big tank to remove the dust and dirt from it. So this process of washing is called scoring. Okay, first is shearing, removal of hairs. Second is scoring, washing of hairs. And the third one is shorting. What happened in a shorting? After scoring, shorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to the factory where hair of different texture are separated or shorted. We read in an earlier video, in previous video, that the sheep hairs is also two types, coarse hair and soft hair. So third shorting, what we do after washing, we send the hair to the factory. हम hairs को factory में send कर देते हैं, भेज देते हैं. फैक्ट्रीज में क्या होता है, डिफरेंट टेक्सचर के हेयर्स को वो क्या करते हैं, सेपरेट करते हैं. सॉफ्ट हेयर्स को अलग करेंगे एंड कोर्स हेयर्स जो बहुत रफ हेयर्स होंगे उनको अलग कर देते हैं. Okay, so separating, first removal of hairs, shearing. Second, washing of hairs, scoring. Third, shorting. That means separated of different texture of hairs. Okay, and the fourth step is cleaning of burr. Students, समटाइम यू सी इन योर स्वेटर, आपके स्वेटर में भी कभी कभी जब आप कंटिन्यूस उसे पहनते हो तो रोएं आ जाती हैं, तो ये जो रोएं होती हैं वी कॉल इट बर. ओके, द स्मॉल फ्लफी फाइबर कॉल्ड बर्न आर पिक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द हेयर्स. हम हेयर्स में से इन रों को या फिर इन फ्लफी स्ट्रक्चर्स को, बर को रिमूव करते हैं, क्लीन करते हैं. ओके, these are the same burn which sometime appear on your sweater. The fiber are scored again and dried. Okay, so first is shearing, second is scoring, third is shorting, then fourth is cleaning of burn. After dyeing, dyeing मतलब कलर करना, क्योंकि जो शीप और गोट है उनके कलर्स जो है ब्लैक, ब्राउन और व्हाइट होते हैं. तो ब्लैक, ब्राउन और व्हाइट वी नीड सम अदर कलर ऑल्सो व्हेन वी गेटिंग द वूल. सो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, कलर ऐड करते हैं, डाई करते हैं हेयर्स को. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड डाइंग. द फाइबर्स कैन बी डाइड इनटू वेरियस कलर सच एज नेचुरल फीस, जो नेचुरल हेयर है शीप के और गोट के, इज ब्लैक, ब्राउन एंड व्हाइट. जो नेचुरल कलर होता है शीप का या गोट का वो क्या होता है, ब्लैक, ब्राउन या व्हाइट होता है. तो हम उस हेयर्स को कलर कर देते हैं सो दैट वी गेट डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ वूल. ओके, एंड द लास्ट स्टेप इज रोलिंग. व्हाट हैपन इन अ रोलिंग? फाइबर्स आर स्ट्रेटेन्ड, कॉम्ड एंड रोल्ड इनटू yarn. हम फाइबर को स्ट्रेट करते हैं, उन्हें कॉम करते हैं, ओके, एंड रोल कर देते हैं टू गेटिंग द yarn. This longer fiber are made into wool for sweater and the shortened fiber are spun and woven into woolen cloth. So how many steps are there? The first one is shearing, then scoring, then shorting, then cleaning off, burn, then dyeing and rolling. For this process, after these process we get wool. Okay, and this is very important which is given in an NCERT book also, occupational hazard. Actually student, जो लोग wool industry में work करते हैं, it is very risky to job there because sometimes they are infected by a bacterium which we call anthrax and which cause a fatal blood disease also called Shorter disease. And question आता है, what is Shorter disease? Then you say that wool industry is an important mean of livelihood for many peoples in our country, but shorter job is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium anthrax which cause a fatal blood disease called Shorter disease. Okay, such risks faced by the workers in any industries are called occupational hazard. अगर कोई पूछता है what is the meaning of occupational hazard, then you say the workers faced the problems, that means the diseased or infection in industrial areas. Okay, to doing the job in an industrial area, this is called the occupational hazard. And in wool industry, maximum they are infected by a bacterium anthrax and this cause fatal blood disease and it's called Shorter disease. I hope you understand. This is all for today. Thank you.